free echo effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. Step 1, drag your audio clip. As we can see now, we want to create an echo effect. I'm creating the gain, adjusting the volumes. You can right click, just click on audio gain, creating an in and an out point. So we just have this selected. You can echo effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Go to effects right here, type it in the search bar. As you can see, just click down the drop down arrow in the folder, drag it on, click on edit like so right here. This should bring up this window or this tab. You can click the drop down arrow. Using a default, you can click on whichever one right here. One of the three last options. Echo effect in Adobe. Echo effect and it doesn't sound too bad. Now, in order to add the echo effect, there's one cool step that you can do. Go back to effects and then type in here in the search bar analog. This is going to make the echo effect really cool. Just drag this on the audio track. Go back to effects control and click on edit. It's the same thing as last. Simply put, we're going to drag some things to the right. If you want this cool free Adobe Premiere Pro CC echo effect for your audio tracks or footage, echo effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, echo effect